Nature's silent killer, the deadliest being on Earth revealed, in the intricate tapestry of Earth's ecosystems, an inconspicuous yet lethal entity has quietly earned the title of the deadliest being on the planet. It's not a fearsome predator or a venomous creature but a microscopic organism, the bacterium Yersinia pestis, responsible for the infamous bubonic plague. The bubonic plague, infamous for devastating pandemics throughout history, is caused by the Yersinia pestis bacterium. What makes this bacterium particularly deadly is its ability to exploit fleas as carriers, facilitating transmission to humans. These tiny vectors unwittingly transform Yersinia pestis into a global threat. Capable of causing widespread and rapid devastation, the bacterium's deadly prowess lies in its efficiency at manipulating both its host and the vectors. When a flea bites an infected animal, Yersinia pestis multiplies in the flea's gut, forming a blockage that prevents normal feeding. As the flea continues to attempt to feed, it regurgitates infectious blood back into the host, perpetuating the cycle of infection. Human infections occur through flea bites or contact with bodily fluids from infected animals. Once inside the human host, Yersinia pestis exploits the body's immune response, evading defenses and swiftly spreading through the bloodstream. The bacteria can overwhelm the lymph nodes, leading to the characteristic swollen and painful buboes, from which the disease derives its name. Historically, Yersinia pestis has left an indelible mark on human history. The Black Death, a pandemic in the 14th century, is estimated to have wiped out a significant portion of the European population. The bacterium's ability to cause swift and severe outbreaks has shaped societies and influenced historical events. Remarkably, Yersinia pestis has revealed an unexpected versatility in its ability to adapt. While commonly associated with historical pandemics, the bacterium still exists in various parts of the world, often in rodent populations. Modern cases of the plague serve as a chilling reminder that this microscopic killer still lurks in the shadows, albeit at a much reduced scale compared to its historical impact. Advances in medicine have provided effective treatments for the bubonic plague, particularly antibiotics that can combat Yersinia pestis infections. Rapid diagnosis and treatment have significantly reduced the mortality rate associated with the disease. However, the bacterium's historical legacy and its potential for bioterrorism make it a subject of ongoing research and surveillance. The deadly dance between Yersinia pestis, fleas, and human hosts underscores the intricate interplay between microscopic organisms and the larger ecosystems they inhabit. While this deadly being may not elicit the same visceral fear as larger predators, its historical impact and potential for resurgence make it a captivating and formidable force in the intricate web of life on Earth. In conclusion, the deadliest being on Earth, Yersinia pestis, unveils a tale of adaptability, historical devastation, and the ongoing threat it poses. From the shadows of history to the forefront of modern research, this microscopic killer serves as a reminder of the complex relationships between humans and the microscopic organisms that share our planet. Understanding and respecting the delicate balance of these interactions is crucial as we navigate the intricacies of our shared biological world.